And finally, to wrap this up, I just want to emphasize that ChatGPT is not the only game in town. You need to be open-minded to use other tools and mix and match as needed for whatever content purposes you have. Now, I really like ChatGPT overall. It's the most popular for a reason. It's really good at generating content, outlines, and so forth. And it's great at doing research. I just really like ChatGPT overall, but there are other tools. So one other tool that I really like and use is Claude. I find Claude to be very good at writing and very good at coding, better than ChatGPT, particularly for coding. The writing is pretty on par, just depends on like what style you like. So let's jump into Claude over here. So this is my Claude account. Let's navigate over here. So for example, like rewrite this as a blog post. So I have this right here. So I generate this text prompt right here is what is WooCommerce? I use Grok actually, ask Grok that question. Grok generated this and I copy and pasted this into Claude to generate an article. Then the article is right over here and it's well written. Speaking of which, you also have Grok. So Grok is built into X and it's also its own standalone platform. I like Grok personally for just everyday questions. And I do find that Grok is really good at copywriting for some reason. Like if I need help for writing like titles for YouTube videos, titles for blog posts, just general copywriting for sales pages, I really usually go to Grok first. Okay. So Claude is great for general writing and coding. Generative AI is good at kind of everything, like jack of all trades kind of thing, making images and so forth. And there you go. And then Grok is good for copywriting. Then there's also Google Gemini. So Gemini is growing in popularity. It's from Google. It's built into Google. So it has access to all the data that Google has. That's why you'd want to use Gemini, primarily for this specific reason right here: deep integration to Google ecosystem, directly access and interact with Google apps like Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Photos, YouTube, and so forth over here. So again, that's why I would use Gemini. It has that integration with Google overall, which makes it quite powerful. So again, my whole point, again, ChatGPT is not the only game in town. Be open-minded, use different tools for different purposes. You'll develop your own workflow over time that works best for you, but hopefully you have a nice structure about how to approach creating blog content using generative AI.